Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, take the rectangle command and take 2 point center rectangle. Select the center point, make the rectangle profile, go to dimension. Define the width here as 120 mm and the height of 70 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Here take the extrude command and take extrude of 8 mm. Okay, now here take the fillet command. Take a fillet radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select all the corners, first, second, third and fourth. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command. We'll drag the cursor on this, so you will find the center point, make a circle of dia 10. Similarly here, make dia 10. Here as well, we'll make dia 10 and one more here as dia 10. Okay, now finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we'll select all the profiles. Here we'll take cut and this will be a through cut. So we'll take all and press OK. Now here we are going to construct a new plane at 45 degree. Go to part 1. So this profile is at 45 degree from this plane. So we are going to generate a new plane. So go to part 3. Here go to plane and we'll select the angle to plane around edge. We'll select this edge, select this face. Here we are going to take 45 degree. Then you will see we have selected the 45 degree. It is going downwards. So we'll plus 90 degree. Okay. So it will become 135 degree and press OK. Now here select this plane, go to create sketch. Take this circle command and make a circle here of dia 35 and from the same center point dia 50. Go to dimension, select this corner, select this mid plane and we'll give a dimension of 35 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, so this will be vertically aligned. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile and here we will take 2 next, so it will merge till this body and press OK. Okay, now select this plane once again, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and here make one rectangle profile till this corner. Go to dimension, the width here will be of 30 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this midpoint, go to dimension, select this point and select this. Here the distance will be 5.5 mm and finish sketch. Go to extrude, here we will take joining profile and here we will take again 2 next. So it will make a merging profile. Okay, press OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Okay, here we will turn off the visibility. Now we have completed this and we have completed this. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to project and project this face. Here take offset command, select this profile, bring the cursor inside. Here we will take offset of 3 mm. Okay, and here we will take a fillet command and take fillet of 2 mm. Select this corner and select this corner. Finish sketch, take extrude, select here, take here cut. So we'll select the direction 2, we'll click on cut. Okay, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now here when I rotate this, you can see this is close from the bottom. Here you can see it is closed. So I'll select the inner face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry, and here we'll select this inner face. When I rotate this, you can see the yellow profile inside. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, take here cut, and we will take here all. So this will be a through cut. When I rotate the profile, you can see the hollow profile here, and press OK. Go to home. So this will be a profile. Now here we'll define the appearance. So you can take any color. I have taken here the cyan color. Okay. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.